Girl Jazz here. Today is the day. Your girl's doing her first food review, y'all. My first food review. So, with that being said, it's cold. I'm sorry. I live in Connecticut where it's cold and we get all 4 seasons, so don't mind me if I'm, bundled up. But today we will be trying Dunkin Donuts new holiday menu, guys. They got some mini pancakes, some new cranberry orange muffin up there, a couple new beverages. So I'm looking to try one of the beverages today and see how the little pancakes are and the cranberry orange muffin. So we down to my local Dunkin Donuts now, and hopefully this line ain't crazy. It's 8:56, so give or take, we might have beat that 9 to 5 rush hour, but some people work at 9:30 to 6 or 10 to 6, whatever, 6:30. So hopefully when we go down there, we just be in and out so I could come back home and show y'all how this stuff is, because I'm curious. Everybody has their own opinions, so let's go ahead on and take a ride and see what this hitting for. Now I'll be moving in. So alright, they got the sign out there, the holiday blend. I'm not gonna try that today because I see there's a toasted white chocolate that I want to try. So I'll be trying that today for my beverage.
What can I get for you?
Yes, do you guys have the new toasted chocolate latte?
The white chocolate, yep.
Yeah, can I try a iced one, a medium?
Of course.
With 4 sugars, please?
4 sugars?
Yes, please.
Alrighty.
And can I try the cranberry orange muffin too?
Yes, you miss.
And the pancakes too.
And the pancake mini?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
10:01, honey. Welcome.
Alright, y'all, I'm back home now. And I must say, Dunkin Donuts, the beverage, the decorations on the beverage looks freaking amazing. So I'm really proud. Looks like this. Awesome. Got some whipped cream going on. And from the way it smells, definitely got some cinnamon sprinkled on top of the whipped cream, which that's freaking pretty creative. Definitely giving off the holiday feel, that Christmas vibe coming through, which a lot of y'all probably don't want to hear about Christmas because that's more money, but they bringing it. They coming through with the Christmas vibes at Dunkin', man. They coming through with the Christmas vibes, man. So I'm gonna get right into this drink. All right, y'all. One thing I did notice was that they did not give me the receipt. So the total came out to $10.01 today for the medium latte, toasted white chocolate with 4 sugars. We got some pancake minis, Bag could have been a little bit neater because I see some of them are out the little bag in the bag, but that's fine. We got some napkins going on, napkin action, and this cranberry orange muffin, which don't look like a cranberry orange muffin to me, but what do I know? So we'll go on ahead and get into this drink, and then we'll try these pancakes and then this muffin. So when it comes down to myself having something that's sweet for a drink, right? And I know I have some sweet food as well. I always want to taste the sweet drink first, because normally if I eat the sweet stuff first, the taste for this would not be the same. So go on ahead, stir this up a little bit. I see all the sugar, all the flavor towards the bottom. So I want that to come up. All right, so everything is pretty much stirred in now. Ooh, Jesus. I just got the ultimate sugar rush, man. I don't know if it's the 4 extra sugars that I added in here, or if it's just that sweet, but whew. Whew. Definitely can still taste that delicious coffee bean in this drink though. Even after all the sugar, all the whipped cream, cinnamon, caramel drizzle, you still get that classic coffee taste. Delicious. Dunkin'. Delicious. As y'all can see, I can't stop drinking it. Dunkin', I'm gonna give that 4 stars out of 5. I'm gonna stop drinking it. So we're gonna go on into these little mini bites. Pancake mini bites. So it looks like it comes with 6 of them in a pack, all nicely lined up with Mrs. Butterworth's classic syrup, which I've always been a fan of Miss Butterworth. So let's see how easy rip, peel, whatever. See how these pancake minis.
I'm gonna fold mine up like this and dunk it in. Bam. Oof. Yeah. Let me try another.
As if that's gonna change the taste, right? Getting a little messy. Let's see. Okay. These are fairly tasty. I won't even lie to you. But they would not be something that I'm just gonna go to Dunkin' for on a daily basis. Like, I gotta have those pancake mini bites from Dunkin'. No siree. But they are definitely flavorful for a good price. Quick bite to eat. I would recommend them. I'm gonna give this Dunkin' 2.5 stars out of this cranberry orange muffin that my mom loved. Let's see, Mom, what this is all about. Alright, y'all, now I'm gonna get into this cranberry orange muffin. Got the classic, I don't know what they're called. I'm just gonna say classic diamonds on the muffins, man. Dunkin's good for the classic diamonds on their muffins. Look at them. Got them iced out muffins. look at Dunkin. Go ahead, Dunkin. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let's eat. What is hitting for? A little rough on the wrap, though. How long this muffin been sitting? It's like little tug on there. Maybe I should have threw you in the microwave. Nah, that would defeat the purpose. So, all right, let's see. Hold up. All right. Second bite got a little better. All right, y'all. What did I think of this muffin? Good, but is it my type of muffin? Am I gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts and say I need to have that cranberry orange muffin? Absolutely not. Mom, today's your day. You can have this. Definitely had all the flavors it is entitled to have. Definitely got the cranberries. Definitely got the orange. Definitely got that soft bakery feel in that middle of that muffin. But as far as it being something that I'll go crazy over, no. Dunkin', unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give y'all cranberry orange muffin 1.5 stars. Unfortunately, it's just not my type of muffin, but whoever likes these flavors, yes, but it's all right. So our winner today at Dunkin' was definitely the beverage. Definitely the beverage. Unfortunately, the pancake minis and the cranberry orange muffin were not my first choice, but Dunkin', you did something with this, so definitely going to keep purchasing this for sure. But wash all that other stuff down. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. I'll definitely be doing more reviews on food in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave feedback for me, please, and let me know what other videos you would like to see or recommend other places that I can try out, and definitely look forward to seeing you guys soon. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. More content coming soon. I hope to see y'all soon. Peace.